In today's video, we are going to draw this beautiful blooming lotus. Hey friends, welcome back. So the lotus is such a peaceful symbol, and while it looks intricate, we're going to break it down into easy, manageable steps. So grab your favorite pen or pencil and let's get started. In the middle, draw a small, slightly flattened oval that looks like a little drum. On the flat top, add several tiny circles, which are the seeds. Around the base of the seed pod, we'll add the stamens. Draw tiny squiggles or short curved lines that peek out from behind the pod. Start drawing the petals. These petals look like pointed teardrops or flickering candle flames. Draw 3 or 4 petals right in front of the seed pod and make sure they curve slightly outward. Working your way around, add more petals behind the first ones. Fill in the sides and the back. Since they are further away, some will look thinner or taller. This will create that beautiful layered look that makes the lotus so full. From the bottom of the flower, draw 2 long, graceful lines heading downward to create the stem. Keep it slightly wobbly. Nature isn't perfectly straight. Now we'll add 1 large leaf on the bottom left. Think of a giant wavy pancake or a wide shallow bowl. So draw a wide circular shape with scalloped or wavy edges and add long lines radiating from the center of the leaf to the edges to show its texture. Now let's bring it to life. So starting from the seed pod, draw very thin fine lines at the bottom and some at the top, and then draw very thin fine lines starting from the base of each petal and moving upward, and also at the tip of each petal. This adds texture and makes the flower look 3D instead of flat. Do the same for the leaf. And that's it, you've just drawn a stunning detailed lotus flower. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more flower drawing tutorials. Let me know in the comments what should we draw next. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and God bless.